In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see deleted messages here on WhatsApp. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up WhatsApp, and down at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see a little settings gear. Open that up to open up your settings, and then scroll down a little bit until you see the storage and data option right here. Select that and then tap manage storage up at the very top, and in here you'll see your saved chats, your media files, and any data stored on your device. Just scroll through these chats right here that are on here to see if any of the messages or media are still available, even if they were deleted from the chat screen. Once you're done, back up and go back to this main settings page and select chats, and then go ahead and select chat backup. Here you can see the date and time of your last backup, the backup size, and where it's saved, whether it's on iCloud if you're on an iPhone, or Google Drive if you are on an Android or Samsung device. If the messages were deleted after your last backup, they may still be recoverable. And you can do this by backing out of this section and hitting export chat instead, and from here selecting whatever chat you want to export, and this will allow you to export it with or without media. And this is super useful if you want to view or save messages outside of the WhatsApp app. But the best way to recover those deleted messages is by requesting your WhatsApp account information. So go back to the main settings page, just like so, and select account up at the very top, and then select request account info. From here up at the very top, you're going to see an option to request your account data. And this report will include message-related data, account activity, and information tied to your WhatsApp chats. WhatsApp will notify you when the report is ready to download. Mine's not going to be ready for a few more days. But if messages were deleted before your last backup, WhatsApp still may be able to restore them, and it kind of just depends on backups and stored data. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.